over the wastewater tank before they ship out. What's got into these things? Hey! Hey! Hey!
Sorry.
Yeah, get Burke on the phone. I started tracing the box truck. The big one. Down.
Hey, I got him, but there's not much time. Tennyson probably already has Burt coming for us.
Hey, nice shot.
I never drove a stick before. It's very exciting.
Cool. You want to give me a hand with this?
Yeah.
Hey there. You're looking good.
For you?
Okay. Yep. I miss you. I miss you too.
We're a family.
He was looking for his parents.
I got the truck. It's stationary.
Load up! Let's go! We got him!